Hey guys, it's Aisha. Welcome back to my channel. So if you were here last week, I was showing you how I wash my hair. Now I'm going to show you how I do my wash and go. My hair is still in sections from when I was in the shower. So that makes it easier for me to be able to style my hair. So I'm going to start off with the leave-in conditioner. It's the generic Paul Mitchell, the conditioner. So I'm going to brush that through my hair. Alright, so right here, I'm going to go ahead and add in my Eco Styler gel. I'm using the level 10 Argan Oil. So again, I detangle and make sure that I'm getting it through my hair from root to tip. And then I start to shingle my hair and separate the curls. Alright, so now we got to the top. Right, so I'm adding some more leave-in conditioner, starting from my ends and then working my way up. I'm going to use a little bit more so I can get my hair really moisturized. And then I'm going to detangle my hair. Make sure I'm getting the leave-in conditioner all the way through. Alright, now I'm adding the Eco Styler gel, smoothing it, getting the underside, and then now I'm going to brush that in as well to make sure that I'm coating all the strands properly. I'll brush it in eventually. Okay, I think I cut that part out. So here I go with shingling. Boom, there you go. And some people call this coiling, but my hair doesn't really coil like that. Like my hair is kind of like zigzaggy a little bit, so it doesn't really like take a coil. Like I have to do, I think, a lot more work than that. Shingling is honestly the best way that I can create definition in my wash and goes. Because not only does it look more defined and super shiny because I'm smoothing everything down, but I get a lot of body and movement when I do my curls this way. So I actually prefer it. So at this point, you can see a little bit of foam on my hands. I'm just smoothing through some wrapping lotion mousse through my hair to seal in all my products that I used and to prevent frizz. All the products that I used will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. And here is a final shot of my hair, and it was giving